Hello, my name is Hannah, and your name is Harmony. Her name is Harmony, and we're gonna be Hannah H.
And we also are going to be doing a video called Granny, Can We Go to New York? Let's start.
Granny.
Yeah.
Granny. Yeah. Can we go to? You're the best.
Thank you.
Granny.
Yes.
Granny. Can we go to New York?
No.
What, Granny? I thought you were the best.
Fine.
Yay, Granny!
Yes.
You're the best.
Okay, let's go off to New York.
Granny, wait up! Don't pull me that fast. I'm getting old, you know.
Whatever. Okay. Come on. Let's run.
Granny! Wait up for me!
No,
Granny!
well, I'm just going to keep going. You can
Come
stay
on,
there.
Granny! No, Granny! Come on, wait up,
Oh,
Granny!
fine.
Thank you.
That was it.
Thank you for watching. We just wanted to tell you that you should always help someone when they're hurt.